Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write 10-line essay on the state Maharashtra. This content can also be written under the topic 10 lines on my state Maharashtra. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Maharashtra is a state situated on the west coast of India. Second line is it is the richest state in India. Third line is it is also home to the largest film industry in the world. Fourth line is its capital city is Mumbai. Fifth line is Mumbai is also considered the Manhattan of India. Next line, that is line number 6, is the most prevalent language of the state is Marathi. Seventh line is this state has a rich and diverse heritage and culture. Eighth line is Alfonso mangoes are grown here. Which are popular in the entire world. Ninth line is Ganesh Chaturthi is a famous festival of this state. Last line is it is one of the developed states of India.